Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure market analysis with Bloomberg, full guide step by step clearly. To begin securing a market analysis with Bloomberg, first open the Bloomberg terminal. Log in using your credentials to access the platform. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Locate the market analysis section in the terminal. Select the relevant market you are interested in analyzing. For example, you can choose equities, fixed income, or commodities. Next, use the search bar to find specific securities or indices. Enter the ticker symbol for the asset you want to analyze. Once the asset page opens, review the overview and key statistics. Look for the Analysis tab to access detailed reports and insights. Explore various analytical tools available in the terminal, such as charting options. Use the Historical Data feature to view performance trends over time. Consider running a peer comparison to better understand the asset's position in the market. Access comprehensive financial statements under the Financial section. Utilize Bloomberg reports, which include analyst opinions and forecasts. If needed, leverage Bloomberg's news feature for up-to-date information. Review any relevant economic indicators that may impact your analysis. Take notes on key findings and insights as you review the data. Lastly, export your findings if necessary, using the terminal's export feature. This will allow you to share your analysis or save it for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.